Ingvar Kamprad was a Swedish entrepreneur and founder of the IKEA furniture company. He was born on March 30, 1926, in Småland, Sweden, to a family of farmers. Kamprad was known for his frugality and entrepreneurial spirit from a young age, and he started his first business selling matches at the age of 5. In 1943, at the age of 17, Kamprad founded IKEA, initially as a mail-order business selling household goods. He started out small, using his bicycle to make deliveries in the local area, but eventually expanded the business to include furniture. Throughout his career, Kamprad was known for his innovative approach to business, particularly in the areas of design and logistics. He pioneered the concept of flat-pack furniture, which allowed for more efficient transportation and storage of products. And he was also known for his commitment to sustainable and environmentally friendly business practices. Kamprad's frugality was also a hallmark of his leadership style at IKEA. He famously drove an old Volvo, flew economy class, and stayed in budget hotels when traveling for business. Under Kamprad's leadership, IKEA grew into one of the world's largest furniture retailers, with stores in more than 50 countries around the world. Today, IKEA is known for its affordable, stylish, and functional furniture designs. Kamprad stepped down from his role as chairman of IKEA in 2013 and passed away on January 27, 2018, at the age of 91. His legacy as an innovative and socially responsible entrepreneur continues to be felt today, and he is widely regarded as one of the most successful business leaders of the 20th century.